With scrap prices slowly climbing up back to a good price, me and my son decided we better go ahead and load up some junk and try to bring it in. Earlier this week, I met up with my sister Sandy. She said she had a whole bunch of junk piled up in a little piece of property that she owns. She spends hours and hours on the computer helping people to get jobs. She don't have the free time. So that's where I come in. Go out there and clean the mess up, get a little bit of cash in return. Now it's time to get this show on the road and bring it up to the junkyard and cash it in. When cash is tight, that's how us folks around here do it. Trade a little bit of labor for a little bit of scrap or something in return.